Alright guys, so this is part 2 for the replacement of the top window Falcon door plate. This one was broken because the Falcon door was open while the vehicle was driving off and it bent. I had replaced these hinges already. I just made a video, short video explaining how to replace the hinges, but I'll do it right now real quick. There's 3 bolts on the back. There's one right here, 2, and there's one behind the torsion screw. There's 3 30 millimeters. There's another 3 on this side, and that way you can take these 2 easily, but this one is the problem. You cannot do it from the bottom because there's no space. You have to take out this centerpiece. This is plastic, and then that way you can remove the torsion spring, pop it up and remove the other right there in the back, the bolt, and then that way you can get this going, bolt it on with the new frame, because the frame, the one that was broken, is right here. It was all bent, and the hinges were bent too, because everything kind of twisted when it was driven off with the door open. So now these hinges were great. This one was a little loose, but I managed. I think it's gonna make it good. If not, I have to replace that one too. And then after that, you gonna put the wire back in, put the covers right here, and then pop everything back up, put it back so it can look nicely, and then put everything. After that, I'm gonna glue this with the windshield adhesive so no leaks can go in there, and then I'm gonna got to put the door back in. This is the door, it was intact. Just this little damage on the side, but there's no dents or anything. And for the door, you have to undo the inside panel because it's bolted onto the side right here. And hook everything and put the wire back in. That's a top glass which is cracked. I'm gonna have to order the part. Let me get you the part number real quick if you need it. So this one was replaced already near to me. This is 2021, and the Tesla's been with me since 2021, and this is a 2018. So this is the part number you need. This is a glass assembly. This is gets bolted on by those jello studs. There's like 10. There's no glue or anything on this one, but this one is completely cracked. I'm gonna have to replace this one too after my repair, but I need to make sure everything's working. I ordered a few pistons because they were bent. They were relatively cheap. These were good. These are the inside on the left front, right hand rear. So everything right here is working. This one are good. And this is a repair. This is a part 2 for the repair. That one was kind of hard to do because of the hinges. You have to wiggle that up and get it up, and you have to kind of hold or pull these down because there's the torsion springs are wanting it to push it back. So this is my progress. Everything's out. The wiring is good. I'm doing this at home, and I got paid by the insurance, but anyways, I like to do my own stuff. This is for the replacement of the top frame and the Tesla Model X 2018. And that frame was $200 with the hinges. You could get those hinges with them. Don't buy it without it because those are like kind of free with it. And then if you can get these top 2 for free in the listing on eBay, you'll get it. If mine, this one was kind of loose, I have to walk it a little bit, the pin, because it was kind of like, I'm not if with use or with the damage that it suffered, but I got it kind of stiff, so it's good. A little loose, but anyway, I'm just gonna play with it, and this one is good. All right, and this is how it's going. I'll make a part 3 once I assemble everything and test the pistons and put them back together to see how they open and close. I'll give you a heads up. Please share, subscribe, like. This is my This is the only video showing how to replace the middle frame of the top Falcon door. For this replacement, I'm planning on spending about $1,500 or less, and then just put a few hours of my time and doing the replacement. I'll show you how everything gets done and how everything turns out. Thank you. Like, share, subscribe for more Tesla videos. Thank you.